from 1st of January to December 2022. Edo State Police Command, in its efforts to fight crime and criminality in the state, has recorded some achievements within 12 months, that is, from January to December 2022, in various violent crimes and other offenses. That also includes arrest of suspects, rescue of victims, recovery of arms and ammunition, empty shells of rifle magazines, empty ammunition shells, vehicles, tricycles, and other items. Below is the summary of the achievements within the period under review. 1. Number of kidnapping suspects arrested, 102. Number of kidnapped victims rescued, 68. Number of armed robbery suspects arrested, 65. Number of armed robbers neutralized during operation. That is to say, when the police came on board at the scene of crime, the armed robbers engaged them, and during the gun duel, they were neutralized. We have 58. Number of human ritual suspects arrested, 2. Number of cultists arrested, 193. Number of defilement, rape suspects arrested. That is, in the case of rape, defilement, we have 16. Number of murder suspects arrested, 64. Number of arson suspects. Arson is a case where people willfully set building, farms, and other compartments ablaze. So number of arson suspects arrested in a year 2022, we have 2. Number of unlawful possession of firearms and ammunition suspects arrested, we have 74. Number of suspected IPOB, ESN member arrested, 1. Number of AK-47 rifles recovered, 6. Number of Beretta pistol recovered, 1. Number of pump action guns recovered, 11. Number of locally made pistol recovered, 69. Number of cartridges recovered, 176. Number of live ammunition recovered, 5. Number of empty AK-47 magazines recovered, 4. Number of empty AK-47 ammunition recovered, 16. Number of vehicles recovered, 5. Number of tricycle recovered, 2. We should state here that we discovered that the cases of removing vehicle from where parked or snatching vehicle from where parked was actually becoming alarming, and the Commissioner of Police, Edo State Police Command, CP Mohammed Adamu Dampara, in his wisdom, now emplaced on arrival when he took over the duties of the Commissioner of Police in Edo State, now in place, things that will checkmate, operations that will checkmate this issue of taking vehicle from where parked, snatching from the car owners when they are on the way. He put in place stop and search, aggressive stop and search in every major roads, adjoining roads in the state, and even beyond the city, that is Benin City. And this has actually helped in checkmating these rising cases of snatching of vehicles and removing the vehicle from where parked. We will recall that during the Christmas season, Edo State actually had peace and rest, and we all also enjoyed our Christmas season. And we, as a command, we want to continue like that during this New Year season. You know, transition from the year 2022 to the year 2023 is usually very, very dicey. As a command, we've identified that, and we've in place security measures to ensure that the transition from 2022 to 2023 will surely be peaceful. We are not working alone. We, as a command, we are working with other sister security agencies, the Nigerian Army Force Brigade, the 107 Maritime Groups, the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, the DSS, the Immigration, the Customs, the Correctional Service, the NDE, all of us are in this. And also the State Security Network, and that is what we call Edo State Security Network. Vigilance groups and other hunter groups in the state, we are working together, collaborating together to ensure that this transition from the year 2022 to 2023 is peaceful, that the citizens must have their peace, they must have their way to celebrate the way they want it in accordance with the law.